The virtual whiteboard. TVW.
Welcome to the virtual whiteboard. We are learning simple basic phonics for all the letters of the alphabet, right? We learned until the alphabet E. Today, let us learn the basic sounds for the letter F. The letter F has the sound F, 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 F sound. F. Now, let us learn the combination sounds for the letter F. The letter F along with the letter A has the sound FA, as in fact, fact, fab. It also has the sound FE, as in face, fade, fate. The letter F along with the letter E has the sound FE, as in fed, fell, ferocious. The letter F along with the letter I has the sound F, as in fig, fit, fill. The letter F along with the letter I also has the sound Fi, as in find, fine, fiber. The letter F along with the letter L has the sound FLA, as in fly, flow, flower. The letter F along with the letter O has the sound FO, as in force, for, fold. The letter F along with the letter O also has the sound FO, as in fog, form, foreign. The letter F along with the letter R has the sound FRA, as in frog, fruit, friend. The letter F along with the letter U has the sound F, as in fun, fur, fuss. The letter F along with the letter U also has the sound FU, as in full, fulfilled. The letter F along with the letter Y has the sound FI, as in rectify, specify, simplify. I hope you will learn and practice all the phonic sounds. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.